Queen Camilla will decide your fate. Fate? Her Majesty, the glamorous and fabulous Queen Camilla.
Hello, darlings.
Hi.
Hello there.
Enough banter! Why you trespass on Castaway Cove?
Well, we were shipwrecked and...
Lies, lies, lies! Just because Camilla is beautiful, don't mean she's one sandwich short of picnic, darling. You come to steal Camilla's fabulous toys. Confess.
Us?
Why would we...
Silence! Before I mount you over that mantle, lickety-split. Guards, throw them in the dungeon for 300 years.
Me? No.
But he's a dentist.
And he's a beloved holiday icon.
Get him, boys! What's it, boys? He's got a toothbrush.
And I know how to use it, too.
Let go!
Look, he's got a very shiny nose.
It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oi, 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 oi. Rudy, darling, you looking pretty fabulous. Sorry for all that rough stuff, darling. We thought you were the toy taker.
Us? The toy taker? But...
Let's not dwell on the past, Caribou. It's not attractive. Welcome to my fabulous castle, darlings. When toys get old or broken and would otherwise be cast away, Queen Camilla brings them to Castaway Cove for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Come, darling. I give you a 5-penny tour, yes?
Oh, darling, bring me your tired toys, your poor toys, your toys yearning to breathe free.
Hey, boys, bring me your dollies. Hey, boys, bring them to me. Hey, boys, it'll be jolly. I can fix them with my TLC. Hey, boys, bring me your patients. Dr. C is in the house. I got the cure for what ails you, be you moose or be you mouse, because everything is beautiful. The halls, the walls are fabulously beautiful. Everything and everyone is beautiful. They're beautiful. I make them beautiful. A little plastic here, a little stuffing there, some absolutely genuine faux blonde hair, some powder on their nose, a new pair of pants, and I will ratify your dance. Come on! Hey, toys, if you get busted, come here, I'll make it right. My glue, it can be trusted, makes you stick around all night. A little varnish here, a little garnish there, a little clip, clip, clip to swap your hair, a little dab of paint applied with loving care, and I'll repair your savoir-faire. If there's a boo-boo on your choo-choo train, we'll make the woo-woo-woo-woo whistle again. We can fix it all, we do it every day. So rock on, toys, just let the band play. Go! Play it, boys. Oh, everything is beautiful. catch a groove on 1, 2, 3. I'm just a medical smarty. I'll make you beautiful like me.